Hi there, I'm Jerry from CISPR, and in the next 19 seconds I'm going to unbox the latest device from Nordic ID and tell you all about it. The Nordic ID HH85 is a handheld. It is the toughest Android handheld ever made by Nordic ID, with a highly ergonomic pistol grip and a superior lifetime battery of 18 hours. The Nordic ID HH85 is perfect for manufacturing, industrial and outdoor facilities. If you receive the Nordic ID HH85, you can find the battery already installed as part of the pistol grip and a wrist strap. A desktop charger is available separately to charge 1 or 4 devices plus batteries at the same time. The Nordic ID HH85 has this cross-dipole antenna, which enables a reading range of up to 15 meters. Here is the 2D barcode scanner. In the back side I can see the camera, where there is an NFC antenna as well. This device has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and there's also a version with 4G and GPS, both with Android 9. The Nordic ID HH85 is mainly designed for industrial applications as a more robust version of its brother, the Nordic ID HH83. Here are some highlights. It has the market-leading state-of-the-art UHF RFID performance. It can protect your investment thanks to its superior ruggedness. It has one of the largest displays in the industry. It operates 18 hours on a single charge. And it has an Android operating system for easy application development. So, are you interested in the Nordic ID HH85 and do you need more information about it? Please contact CISPR.